Backcountry Survivalists, and today we're talking about how to make a mock scrape. Now usually what you're going to want to do is grab some kind of vine or a twig or something from a tree. The best trees to use are like oak or grapevine or anything like that, any hardwoods. And you want to get it to be about this long and about this wide. And then what we did is just drilled a hole through it and put some rope through it. So what you're gonna want to do after you've got your mock scrape set up is tie it to an overhanging limb or tree. And so it's about hip height. And then pretty much you're gonna have deer that hit this around and they're gonna rub their glands on this, which makes other deer wanna come over here and mark it with their scent. The reason a vertical mock scrape is better than a horizontal mock scrape is because deer like to just play with it and swing it around more than just a horizontal scrape, which is just sitting there. So after you're done hanging it, you want to make sure you don't really touch it that much because other deer are going to be leaving their scent on it, and it's going to just be kind of a social area for deer. Kind of rough up the ground underneath it so it looks more like a scrape.